Hello children, we are going to learn Unit 4 Supplementary Lesson The Cat and the Painkiller. This story is taken from the Adventures of Tom Sawyer. This story is written by Mark Twain. The main characters of this story are Tom Sawyer, Sid, Tom Sawyer's cousin brother, Aunt Polly, Tom Sawyer's aunt, Becky Thatcher, friend of Tom Sawyer, Peter, the pet cat, Joe Harper and Huck. They were the friends of Tom Sawyer. This novel, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, is a novel about a young boy, Tom Sawyer, who was growing up near the Mississippi River at St. Petersburg. Tom Sawyer lives with his Aunt Polly and her son, Sid. He grew up with all mischievous. He was too naughty boy. But he cleverly escapes from the punishments given to him for that mischievous. He finds he didn't like school. He finds school life miserable. But after Becky Thatcher's arrival to that school, he think a little bit happy. But even that happiness does not last long because Becky Thatcher, his friend, falls ill and she does not come to school for a long time. So he become too bored to go to school. So what he did means, with his best friends Joe Harper and Huck, runs away from that place to an island in the Mississippi called Jackson's Island. So they ran away to the Jackson Island. They became a pirate. After that, all the peoples of their home and that hometown, they thought like that all the three were dead. But for the pleasant shock, they give the shock to the people of that hometown because they returned back at their own funeral to that town. This story, The Cat and the Painkiller, is one of the episode of Tom Sawyer where he used to play pranks on his Aunt Polly. Aunt Polly actually loves him a lot. She loves him very much, but she didn't show her love outwardly in order to make Tom Sawyer good boy because he was too mischievous boy, so that. Let us go for the story The Cat and the Painkiller, written by Mark Twain. Tom is temporarily bored from his troubles and from his place when Becky Thatcher stops coming to school. He tries to find out the reason for her absence to school by roaming around her house. He finally learns that she is ill and begins to worry that she may die because she was too ill. She suffered a lot because of the illness. He is so concerned about Becky that he stops playing and loses interest in everything. His quiet behavior because he was too mischievous, so now he become too bored and he become too quiet, so that this behavior causes Aunt Polly to be concerned about him. She made an experiment at her heart. Polly tries all sorts of medicines, all kinds of medicines, treatments to Sam in an effort to cure him, to make him to be active. But nothing seems to work. Nothing will become good. She reads her health magazines to look for additional things to try and discover the water treatment cure that makes a person sweat so much it purifies his soul. So she started to give an water treatment to Tom to make him active. When she tries this on Tom, it just becomes more sad and sad. It will not work on Tom Sawyer. She added hot baths, sitz baths, shower baths, and plunges. The boy remained bored. She began to assist the water with a slim oatmeal diet and blister plasters. She calculated his capacity and filled him up every day with quack cure halls. But Tom is so forlorn that he does not even protest against the torture that he is being put through. His silence bothers his aunt even more. So um, his silence bothers his aunt even more. She decides that Tom's indifference must be definitely be broken. She orders a new painkiller. She found that the medicine did really diminish, but it did not occur to her that the boy was mending, always sitting with a sad health of near the crack in the sitting room floor with the painkiller. One day, his aunt's cat comes into the room when he is in the act of filling the painkiller in the crack with the medicine. Tom takes a spoonful of the painkiller and gives it to the cat. The painkiller is ordered aunt to give to Tom because to make him too active. When the cat swallows that painkiller, it jumps into the air and bangs itself against the furniture. It topples the flower pots and jumps out of the window, leaving behind the mess. And Polly is struck dumb at the cat's antics. Aunt Polly shocked because of watching this cat doing some of the mischievous, and it is jumping from here to there and making everything be toppers. By seeing this, Aunt Polly become shocked. Top simply didn't give the painkiller to the to the Peter, the cat, but the cat make some of the signs to get that painkiller because of the color and because it want to taste that painkiller. So that only Tom gave that painkiller. After eating that painkiller, it started to act like a differently. So that cat started to jump and do something differently because of the reaction of the painkiller. When Aunt Polly watches these are all the things, she comes to question Tom about the cat. She finds him rolling in laughter when she watched Tom, and she started to ask about the reason why the cat is doing this or all the things. Tom was rolling on the floor by laughter. She discovers the spoon there, and she was there she found with the marks of that painkiller, the medicine still sticking to it. She pulls Tom up by his ears and asks him why he gave the painkiller to the cat. Tom replies that he gave it to the cat out of pity because it very eagerly the cat was asking the painkiller, the medicine, so he gave him, for he himself had been receiving all of Aunt Polly's attention while the cat was being ignored by Aunt Polly. She pats Tom on the head and tells him that she did whatever she thought best for him because she wanted to make him active. This chapter is filled with typical twin humor. Tom's sadness over Becky is not being at school and his worries about her death are intentionally exaggerated to the point of being humorous. And Polly's experimentation on Tom is also out of proportion and causes the reader to laugh. Tom's incident with the cat is also filled with humor, even though he uses it to teach Aunt Polly a lesson. So here in this lesson, Tom Somewhere explaining that we should not treat others as we like. The author of this lesson, Samuel Langhorne Clemens, well known as Mark Twain, was an American writer, humorist, entrepreneur, publisher, and lecturer. Twain was raised in Hannibal, Missouri, which later provided the setting for his novel. His famous works are The Adventures of Tom Sawyer and The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. So he was a great writer in America and all over the world. This story in a short, Tom was dull and depressed, and Polly tried different types of remedies on him. Finally, he gave him the painkiller, but Tom gave that painkiller to the cat Peter. The painkiller triggered adverse reaction on Peter. It jumped out of the open window. This incident upset Aunt Polly. After asking the reason by Aunt Polly, Tom told his aunt that Peter had no aunt, so he gave that. So at last she moved by his reply and she felt a lot to give the painkiller to. This is the lesson, children. Thank you.